Musicall.
It's time to learn. Let's go. Welcome back, everyone. In our previous episode, we learned about the major scale and the checklist to determine whether a certain scale is a major scale along with the formula.
Yes, today we will be looking at the minor scale. Major scales and minor scales are relative to each other.
Relative? How so? Do they share the same blood?
Well, they do share something in common, but it's not blood. They share the same key signatures.
Oh, cool! I know what key signatures are. They are the sharp or flat symbols that are placed at the beginning of the music piece.
Yes, and the relationship between relative major and minor scales is 3 semitones apart.
3 semitones apart? What do you mean, teacher?
If we have a minor scale of A minor, the first note would be
An A. The last note is also an A.
yes. So on the piano keyboard, can you tell me what note is 3 semitones higher from A?
1, 2, 3. It's a C.
Correct! 3 semitones from A is a C. So the relative major of A minor is a C major. Now Ruby, can you tell me the key signatures for C major?
There are no key signatures for C major.
That's correct. So since C major has no key signature, the relative minor of C major, which is the A minor, also has no key signature.
Wow, that's cool! They do share something in common, which are the key signatures.
Next, when we look at the minor scale, there are 2 types of minor scales. The first one is a harmonic minor, and the second one is a melodic minor.
Harmonic minor and melodic minor. Got it!
For today, we'll look at the harmonic minor. Now, the one rule that you need to remember for the harmonic minor is the 7th note is to be raised by a semitone. So here we have an A minor scale in ascending order. Can you tell me what the 7th note is, Ruby?
It's a G! Ooh, so if we follow the rule for a harmonic minor scale, G is supposed to be raised by a semitone. So it would be a G sharp.
That's right, Ruby. So the notes for the A harmonic minor ascending scale would start with an A, followed by B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, and finally back to A. Determining a minor scale is now as simple as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. We determine the relative major key, which is 3 semitones higher. Step 2. We identify the key signature. Step 3. For the harmonic minor scale, we raise the 7th note. Now let's look at another example. The E harmonic minor scale, but in descending order. Step 1. We find the relative major key. So 3 semitones higher from E would be
A G!
That's right! Now step 2. Once we find the key signature of G major, we would know the key signature of E minor.
G major has only one sharp, which is an F sharp. So E minor only has an F sharp.
That's correct! Lastly, we raise the 7th note by a semitone. The 7th note of the E minor scale is a D, so it would be a D sharp. Can you tell me the notes for the E harmonic minor scale in descending order, Ruby?
Descending. So we start with the highest note and we go down. Firstly, an E, then a D sharp, C, B, A, G, F sharp, and finally back to E.
Very good! Let's do a recap for today's lesson.
Firstly, we know that the relationship between relative major and minor scales is they are 3 semitones apart. Then, we learned that relative minor and major scales share the same key signature. And lastly, for the harmonic minor scale, the 7th note is raised by a semitone.
Teacher, what about the melodic minor scale?
We shall cover that in the next episode. So stay tuned for the next episode to find out. Don't forget to like this video. If you found this video helpful and interesting, don't forget to share it with your friends. Do also subscribe to our channel for more, and remember to click on the notification bell to receive update notifications for new videos.